570,000 jobs gone, vanished. By 2026, not speculation, McKinsey data, March 2024. Right now, OpenAI's GPT-4 handles legal document review, faster than 47 lawyers combined. Cost drops 94%. Goldman Sachs estimates 300 million full-time jobs exposed globally. Exposed, not ending, exposed. Anthropic's Claude now writes production code, real enterprise code, at Google, at Amazon. Routine coding jobs evaporating overnight. Customer service is next. One AI agent replaces 8 human reps. 8, not 2. 8. Your inbox, your paycheck, your career path. All of it converges here, this moment, right now. Your job might be on that list, might be replaced by June, might not. But the risk is real, quantified, documented, not theoretical anymore. Subscribe and wake up to what's actually happening. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI every day.